an IEP team gets a request to use AI in a specific application for a student, my primary advice is to slow down and just take a minute and think about all the implications of what this accommodation will do. If it's an instructional type strategy, like AI would actually be doing instruction or working with a student, we have to consider some of the implications about the IDEA's bias for research-based methodologies. A lot of this new AI technology isn't yet research validated. So before we discard a research-based strategy for a non-research-based strategy, the IEP team should really pause and think about whether that's the best decision. On the other hand, if this is more of a request for an accommodation, like a digital assistant or something like that using AI, we still have to pause and think about some of the implications, because a lot of this technology uses an open microphone in the classroom at all times. And that could violate the rights to privacy of the other students who are in the class. And then the final thing to really think about with AI accommodations is whether they are in fact accurate and helpful. So some of this technology, says it can do things like it can provide the main point, or it can take notes, and it can do things like that. And we wouldn't want to adopt that technology until we know it is in fact accurate and is in fact highlighting the main point if it says it highlights the main point, or it's translating accurately if it's supposed to do a translation. Only after we know those things, we've really vetted the technology that we're using, should the IEP team move forward and say, yes, we want to add this specific accommodation of this AI technology into a student's individualized IEP.